Hello dear friends, in this video we are discussing the hemicellulolytic fungi. Fungi are the most active agents of decomposition of organic matter, and thus these are the most important hemicellulolytic microorganisms. Aerobic fungi such as Trichoderma and Aspergillus secrete at high concentrations of hemicellulases that work synergistically. Fungal species found in the marine environments including Aspergillus soja, Chitomium globosum, Agaricus bisporus, Diplodia viticola, etc. are important sources of hemicellulases. Most of the hemicellulases are extracellular with some intracellular hemicellulases also. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.